Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new, now it's in the page.
Fam bam, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back on here again doing another video for you guys. As I told you guys a few days ago, I had some really fun stuff cooking up for ya, and I wasn't lying. So today's video is going to be all about the wig that you see on my head. As you guys know, I do make my own quick weaves, and I have a whole tutorial on that for you today on how I made this quick weave. I actually had a lot of fun making this hair. I've actually had the hair for quite some time. I styled it, cut it, I blew it out, I put some oil in it just, you know, to make it nice and soft, and it feels so soft. So the hair that you guys see me wearing today, it is actually by Shake and Go Hair. I actually have a like cute little hair clip-in that I purchased from them a few weeks ago at the beauty store. It's a hair piece, like a little high ponytail that you just snap in your hair to make a ponytail. Shake and Go Hair, this is the color Lavender. It is ironed, texturized, it's naturally straight hair, but I'm pretty sure if I wanted to take a curling iron to this, I could. The packaging is a 7-piece packaging. I do hope you guys really enjoyed today's YouTube tutorial. As you guys know, I've been really trying to put in that work with my YouTube and just really like being more consistent with it and like showing you guys like all the dope stuff that I do. And you know, even the eye look that I did today, it is dope. I love my cloud eye. I've always wanted to do the cloud eye, and it's trending right now all over Instagram, so I was like, why not? So, and you guys know I love being artsy with my makeup looks. Like, I love colors and doing stuff with blending, but I really like being artsy and like super like defiant with my makeup looks. So yeah, that's another way I stand out. But I do hope that you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new and you're a new viewer, hi, hello, thank you for viewing today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Leave suggestions in the comments below if you guys want to see different looks, more new things, and tell me your thoughts on today's look. I mean, tell me what you guys are thinking of this quick weave. You know, it's been a while since I've had a how to make a quick weave video up. My last one was that silver one that you guys, I'm sure, see, you know, like on my channel's page. So yeah, let's just jump right in the video and let me stop talking.
Boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the must be something underneath. Take two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof, on another level, ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all about what you bring to the crowd, where your reference is loud. They're calling me over, set your fire on me, like what I see you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter. set a sea of fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two, I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, friend? Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof, on another level, ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all about what you bring to the crowd, where your reference is loud. They're calling me over, set your fire on me, like what I see you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter, see your fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the
Hi,
paper.
Lovebugs, and that is the end of the tutorial. Please tell me again, you guys, what you think of today's video, how you guys liked how I did the quick weave. You know, everybody has their own style, how they do quick weave. Suggestions of new and different videos you want to see from me, let me know. Another YouTube video on this eye look will be coming up next, so don't go anywhere, Lovebugs. But again, thank you for watching. If you're new, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share if you care. Tell me your thoughts. I'll leave everything that I use in today's video in the description box below. I'll also leave links next to it so you guys can go and check out the hair brand, the hair products, if you guys want to get that stuff and order some stuff from Shake Me. Thank you to the teacher fam bam who continues to stay with me, and have a great night, everybody. Ciao.
Your cards, boy, you bet I'm a trendsetter too.